पणजेतले 50% नागरिक व्यावसायिक कर आणि घरपट्टी भरनात देखून महानगरपालिका बेरेस्तारच्यान थकबाकी वसूल सुरू करतली अशें पणजेचो महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगले। तशेंच दर म्हयन्याक 2 कोटी रुपया कर जप्त करपाची मोख महानगरपालिकेन दवरल्या अशें रोहित सांगता।
Cooperation to do the administrative side now is also to start recovery. Now that is the most important thing. We have outstanding for some 54 crores. Now a lot of people want development work to happen, but now around half of Panjim is not paying house tax and not paying commercial tax also. So now we need those recoveries to start coming. So now we have asked them to start recovering around 2 crores a month. Okay, so that should be okay. As of now, all the money is going towards paying of salaries also. So now what our ATO has done now, he has set up teams. Now around say 5 or 6 people per team thing, and you're going to send out to different wards. Now what we have to do now, since we have ceiling powers also, what we're going to do is we're going to ask politely. But now if people refuse to pay, now we're going to start targeting the people who are the biggest offenders. For example, banks, institutions. Now those people owe us 11 crores. So now we want to start recovery of those. Now they are capable of paying also, but it's just that they are not doing it. Now we also have an obligation to the people. We need money now to maintain all of our parks, our gardens, any development works that's needed by our cooperators. For that we need funds. If all our money is going towards paying salaries also, I don't see how that is possible. So we're going to start with recovery.